Okay. Look at him. There's a beetle.
Hmm?
Look at
What's his name?
Alaska.
Alaska?
Yeah.
And what's he doing?
He's going and play with me.
And what does he eat?
Food and other stuff.
Food and other stuff?
Come on, Alaska. Pick up me. Pick you up. I picked him up. Is it okay if I pick him up?
Mm-hmm. And how'd you get Alaska?
From the mail.
From the mail?
He's cute, isn't he? Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look. Oh, Alaska.
And do you like him?
Yeah. Look at him. Look at Alaska.
Where is he?
He's right here on my lap.
Oh, is he crawling on your lap? He's cute.
Yeah, he is. I'm in Arizona.
Do you remember what the whole name of that kind of beetle is?
No.
You don't remember?
Blue.
Death fainting beetle.
That's
That's
right, blue death fainting beetle. And why is it called a death fainting beetle?
Because they play down on those scared.
Because they play dead when they're scared.
Can I let him walk on the floor?
No, let's not let him walk on the floor.
Why?
Well, because we might lose him. He's so tiny.
But it's so tiny. No, 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 no. I just want to see how I'm doing. Why?
He doesn't know what to do. He says, oh my goodness.
What's that? What that he says?